the cosmos, the ultimate wilderness. These are the voyages of the Starship Victorious, its 5-minute mission to seek out new magic tricks and new sleights, to boldly go where no magician has gone before. Victor the Magician's log, stardate unknown. Some of the crew have discovered an anomaly lurking on the lower decks, specifically this deck. Our deck of the day, Explorer's Domination. Now, this anomaly, this phenomena, concerns the way the aces of the deck interact with, well, the rest of the cards. We're going to explore this phenomena now to discover exactly what its parameters are. As you'll observe, we have in this deck 4 aces, as well as the other cards. We have the Ace of Clubs, the Ace of Hearts, the Ace of Spades, and the Ace of Diamonds, representing a variety of ships used in our very own space fleet. Now, there's nothing particularly unusual about these cards or the ships they represent. However, when they interact with the deck, we do observe a very strange effect. Let me show you what I mean. We'll choose a random card from the deck. In this case, the 8 of Clubs. Now, the 8 of Clubs could have been any one of these cards. We could have chosen any other card, because it's the aces that the effect seems to apply to, not the other cards. For example, if I take the Ace of Clubs and place it into the deck, space and time distort, so that in fact that Ace of Clubs is now over here, as though that was the card that I placed there originally, and not the 8 of Clubs, but the Ace of Clubs. Now, if I were to attempt this effect again, nothing particularly interesting would happen, unless I reset the deck, indicating there's some sort of temporal component. So this time we'll choose another card at random. This happens to be the Queen of Spades. Now, again, this Queen of Spades could have been any one of these cards. However, we chose the Queen of Spades, and we'll stick to it because it's a good way to control the experiment. We'll place her there, and we'll take now the Ace of Hearts. Just like the Ace of Clubs, we'll place the Ace of Hearts in the middle of the deck, and just like the Ace of Clubs, the Ace of Hearts will then materialise over here, as though transported through some sort of portal or wormhole within the deck. Once again, another few cuts to reset the deck, and another random card. Now this time we'll be using the 6 of Hearts, as it turns out, as opposed to any one of the other 51 cards we could have selected. The 6 of Hearts goes there, the Ace of Spades this time goes in the middle of the deck, and I think you all know what's going to happen next. Assuming the phenomena holds true, the Ace of Spades will materialise over there, forcing us to reset the deck again in order to see the effect for a 4th and final time. So once again, for our control, we'll pick out this card, which happens to be the Joker. We'll place the Joker over here, and we'll place the Ace of Diamonds, our final ace, right in the centre of the deck. There it goes. And for a 4th time, space and time distort, and the Ace of Spades is over there, leaving us with an otherwise completely unremarkable deck. At present, we do not understand what causes this phenomena. However, several of the more technical-minded members of the crew believe that that it will be eventually used to flip our ships between one point in space and time, another instantaneously, negating the need for long travel. This is Victor the Magician, Captain of the Starship Victorious, signing off.